I've been working on this since the beginning of summer, and I'm super excited to finally show you guys. Wait, it's because my front camera broke, so it's I feel like I sounded too preppy. Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to my room chore. Okay, with that said, I'm pretty sure all you guys know what this video is about. Mostly everything that I have in this nail room, I got it from Amazon, so I will be sure to link everything, or mostly everything, down below in my wish list. With that said, let's go ahead and get started with the room tour. I want to start from this wall first and kind of just, you know, work with what we got. So here is a Marilyn Monroe poster because I love her, queen. She's my inspiration, and this is a beautiful picture. I have this pink, oh, also this was given to me about 2 days ago, and this is a pink tapestry. I got it from Shein. It's super cute, and I feel like it just matches the whole theme. This is a table stand. I got it from Amazon, and right here I have a candle that says he is risen, and I have a little Marilyn Monroe puppet, super cute, in love with it. And I just have a black pumpkin just because, yeah. This chair, it's just a regular cute chair. I got it from Amazon. And next to the tapestry, I have this Marilyn Monroe poster, queen, love it. Right here I just have a pink fuzzy carpet, super cute. And from the fuzzy carpet you look up and there's my mirror. I look full right now. I just ate at a Chinese buffet. It was so good, 10 out of 10. Okay, anyways, this is my mirror. In love with it. It has a little, don't mind that. And these are my lights. Yes, doesn't that just look so cute? Love it. Okay, so turning AC blinds, that is just a gap in the wall, and I covered it with this strings, and it has little beads in it, and inside I just have some nail supplies and stuff like that for extra. Right now we're gonna go ahead and go on into the first drawer that I have. In this drawer I have my appointment book, and I have the disposable napkins for when I'm doing the client's nail, so the acrylic doesn't stick to my desk. In this drawer, these are my glow-in-the-dark pigments and my glitter pigments. Super freaking cute, love them. And the rest of these over here, they're just clear, you know, they're just there. This is the next drawer. The next drawer, this is where I have all of my pigment powders, like my whites, my nudes, my clears, and my colored ones, of course, just so I don't get mixed up with any of them. This drawer is my glitter drawer. I'm obsessed with these glitters, girl. They're so freaking cute. Love them so much. I use them to put on my nails, and I also use them to put in my, what do you call it? I also use these liquids I also use these beautiful colors to put in my colored acrylics. This drawer, you guys, look at that. So this drawer is where I have all of my crystals, all of my charms, things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and go a little bit more in depth. These are my gold foils right here. I have some cute little strawberries. Right here I have some like foils for my nails. More gold foils. I have stickers right here, super cute, love it. And OMG, you guys, let me just show y'all. Look at that. Purr. The kawaii charms. I'm obsessed with using these on my nails. Absolutely love it. And definitely with the money, every single thing that I got in here, I got it from Amazon. So you guys already know. I'm going to link it in the description. So yeah, guys, with that said, we got some butterflies, crystals, small crystals, big crystals, little foils, gems, stuff like that. Love it. This drawer is honestly just random. I have a liquid monomer bottle that I don't use, my vanity mirror lights, some thumbtacks. This drawer is a Modelones dip powder kit. I don't know how to really do dip powders or any of that, so I'm not gonna mess with that. Oh my god, stop. This is like a glitter bulk pack, but these glitters are not really that cute, so I haven't really used it. This right here is an acrylic Modelones powder set. I got it off of Amazon, of course. It's a super good variety, and the quality is actually really, really good. Close it. That is for the first drawer right here. Right next to the drawer, I have a little trash can, and above it, I have a Marilyn Monroe poster. Next to it, I have a beautiful sign and another Marilyn Monroe poster. We're gonna go ahead and move on to my other cart right here. So let's start on the wall. These are my glitter acrylic these are my glitter acrylic pout. Oh my gosh, these are the glitters, y'all. Okay, that's all y'all need to know. This is the glitters. Super cute. These are the like opaque, the solid colors. I love them as well. This is a cute bear that my boyfriend got me. He's so sweet. I miss him. This is a Juicy Couture hand sanitizer wipes. It's so cute. Like, it's literally like, what? So cute. This is a mini heart rug. I thought it was gonna come in bigger, but I guess it didn't, so yes. Okay, moving to the first drawer. The first drawer, we have my eyelash serums per. If you guys didn't know, I sell eyelash, or I'm going to start selling eyelash serums for $4 per. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Wait, let me show y'all my eyelashes. I have mascara on right now, but do you see the length? Do you see it? Anyways, so yes, I'm going to be selling eyelash serums really soon. Super excited for that. This drawer, I have all of my tips and everything. Of course, actually, these two, I believe, I got them off of the app called AliExpress, and it's where you can get nail supplies or basically anything for a really good price at a really good quality. So I do recommend. Have my clear tips. These tips I got from Amazon, and those are the ones I currently have on right now. Color tips, white tips, even though I don't really use white, all I use is clear. This drawer, so this, wait, let me try that again. Hold on. So this drawer right here I have the oh my gosh, what is this? Oh, it says these are lint-free nail wipes that I use on my nails. This is a 20 pack of the KDS glue, y'all. 20 pack, yes, invest. This is a random bottle dispenser, buffers, and this is just a pack of files that are really useful. This next drawer, it's just empty containers for when I have more ideas on what like kind of powders and colors to make. So that's just filled with empty containers. Right here, girl, here I have all of my pigments that help me make my pigmented acrylic powder. These are some Mika powders that really do me good, you guys. The colors are amazing. I also have a package of chalk, but that wasn't really beneficial to me. Right here, I have like a pile of like failed things. Although this is, oh wait, no, I was about to say it's not failed, it is failed. But yeah, it's like little tests here and there. So something I wouldn't put on my hands or my clients, I put it here next to the cart. I have my Mia Secret clear acrylic powder, and I have Kiara Sky's acrylic monomer. I also have this bottle of cleansing alcohol. Here's another cute look of how it's set up and everything. So this is my nail desk. So the next and the last thing is my nail desk. This cute comfy chair is from Amazon, of course. 10 out of 10, highly do recommend this. On my nail desk, my two remotes, this is well, the client is supposed to, y'all know how this works. This is a cute hand rest for my clients. I have my crown dampen dish right here and my brush holder. I have a bunch of cute brushes that I'm really obsessed with. The brush I'm currently using right now is messed up, but hopefully that'll fix too. I got a new brush waiting for me. Super freaking cute. But yes, these brushes are mainly, girl, these brushes I have here, they're mainly for nail art, which I don't do, but it is definitely something that I do need to work on and practice. So yes, this is what I just have on my brushes. And next to that is my wonderful, beautiful Kiara Sky's nail drill. I saved up so much for this. I'm in love with her. My most prized possession, literally obsessed. 10 out of 10. Yeah. Excuse me. I got this from Amazon, and you can also charge your phone from it. So you go like that and then go like that, and it changes modes. And you can also set a timer. Oh, I was pressing the wrong button. And you can also set a timer on it. So I thought that was really beneficial and really convenient. Okay, so on to my, what was that? So now inside my nail drawer, we're gonna start off over here first. Actually, let me give y'all, ooh, I don't want to drop it. Let me give y'all some light. Okay, purr. So right here I have my my nail drill bits. I think that's what you call it. I'm not even sure. Oh no, sanding bands. I'm so dumb. I have my sanding bands right here. My nail drill bits from Kiara Sky and from Amazon. These are old. Those are no good anymore. My Kiara Sky nail files. This is just it's like these to put my nail creations or nail colors on them. Here I have a cuticle clipper, an X-Acto knife, a cuticle pusher backer, whatever, some scissors. Ignore that. Ignore that. I use this for my personal nails. That's why it's not in here. In this area, I have cuticle oil, a nail hardener that I use for myself, the Beetles top coat and gel, Mia Secret protein bond and dehydrator, whoops, Young Nails brush on glue, a KDS glue, a little brush, and I have Young Nails protein bond. Girl, focus. Okay, Young Nails protein bond, So this is basically the necessities, the whatever you call it. Yes, whatever you call it, the necessities. This is basically what I need. Just random. Oh, I need to take these tomorrow to school with me. Okay, hold on. Put that right there. This next drawer is honestly really random. I use these to pick up my rhinestones. This is my Kiara Skies charger, and that oh my god. And those are some white tips. In here I have the cutters that like they help you get better at like your front tip and stuff, but I had to learn the hard way. This is for my fake hand whenever I'm doing practices, and these are my 3 nail polishes that I have, but it's because I don't like nail polishes. That is not dirty, I promise. It just doesn't come off. Anyways, that's embarrassing. I have nail scrubs. I don't even know why I have these. I don't even tell my clients to wash my hands. I meant to say I don't tell my clients to go wash their hands. That's why I have these, but I guess. Down here I have a mini lamp just to see better, and a nail LED dryer, I guess you can say. So yes guys, that is it for my nail desk. That's the client seat right there. Right here, oh, you can see my shadow, my reflection. Right here I just have my TV, and I have a cute little dream catcher, and I think that's it. And that concludes what I showed you guys. So guys, that is it for my room tour. I'm super excited to honestly really start this journey. I spent so much of my money, every single bit of my paycheck went into this room and went into me having a dream or a vision of me becoming successful, and I will I will be successful, and I will be that person. With that said, thank you guys so much for watching, and for anybody choosing to support me on my beginner nail tech journey, thank you guys so much. I will definitely make sure to be updating you guys here and there. I have my first official appointment on Sunday. I'm so excited, you guys. But yes guys, that's it for today's video. Mwah!